Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create PowerPoint presentation in Claude Cowork. So in this video I will show you how to create PowerPoint presentation in Claude Cowork. This is very easy because Claude Cowork can actually do it automatically and can save the PowerPoint presentation into your folder that you are connected to. I recorded a video about how to create docx document, for example, how to create the Excel file, and this is very similar because we will have to go into the Cowork at the beginning. Now I will connect into a folder on my local computer. You can actually create it here and then download it, but I think this is more comfortable, so I will go into Cloud and I will select Cloud. Now I will show you that inside of this folder I have 4 files. First one is the numbers .txt, second one is the file.python, and the last one is the budget XLSX, which is the file from the previous video where I showed you how to create the Excel file. These files are also the file from the previous videos, but it is not important. In this video we will create the PowerPoint presentation. So let's move to the prompt. First of all, we have to create the instructions. So create, for example, maybe 5 slides to no make it very long, because if I will do, for example, 20 slides, we would have to wait like 3-4 minutes, and I want to make it, I would say, fast but also entertaining to watch. So startup, pitch deck, for example, about maybe AI productivity app, and now we will type in what the AI model should include. So for example, titles, bullet points, and for example speaker note, in order to make a speaker the work a little bit easier. And now save as, and we have to specify the extension because I don't know if by default it would create it in the PowerPoint format, so we will name it save as pitch.pptx like this. And now we can press enter. First of all, of course the model is thinking and running the skill. As in the previous videos with the docx document, we use the docx skill. In the Excel spreadsheet we use the XLSX skill. In that case, because here we are creating the PowerPoint presentation, we are using pptx skill. As you can see, use skill, read the file. Now I will create the 5-slide pitch deck using pptxgen.js. JS stands for JavaScript, I think. And now here you have the process, so install pptxgen dependencies, write pitch deck JavaScript script, generate and save pitch pptx, visual, QA, verify slides, render correctly. So this is the plan. If you don't know how the plan works and why AI model is doing this plan, you can actually watch my previous video. I recorded what is a plan, what is a to do, for example, in that case, so it also might be important for you. But now we are creating this presentation. We are on the first step, which is installing dependencies, because without these dependencies Claude Cowork will be basically cannot create this presentation. Now we are writing a pitch deck script. As you can see, it is finished because it is crossed and it is in a light blue color. So this is how it works. Good, pptxgen.js and Sharp are available. Now I will write the pitch deck script. So we are writing. Here you have how many characters AI model actually used in order to do it. So as you can see, almost 6,000 characters. And now it will be 10,000, and this is why I didn't make it for example, 20 slides, because we would have to wait here for 3-4 minutes. Now, if this is only 5 slides, as you can see, we are also waiting like 30 seconds, but I hope it will be finished in a second. So, we are writing this JS, this pitch.js script for now. As you can see, almost 20,000 characters, because the model is trying to contain everything what it thinks is important in that presentation. Now we finished the second step. Now we are generating this pptx file, which is the third step. So we have it here, as you can see, and it is finished. And now we are checking the slide quality. So AI model is checking if everything is correct, and he can actually give it to us. So as you can see, my presentation is also already here in this folder. So pitch.pptx file. We can actually go away with this window. Now let me run the visual Q&A. This part is also very important because it prevents from, for example, some spelling mistakes, some errors, some other things. And now, Claude wants to use your computer. Let Claude use your screen and control your mouse and keyboard. Maybe we will not allow to do it, so let's just create this pptx file. So let me inspect the slides directly. It is reading the file. It is working on it. It is thinking. Of course, you can allow it. I think nothing bad will happen, but in that case, I will just do it like this. So all 5 slides looks excellent, and you can actually read it. You can actually read how every slide looks like. It is not very important because this video is now about how AI model works, but how to create the presentation, and you can actually press on that and view that pptx file. As you can see, it has a lot of information, and it is created in a very modern way, I would say, because to create something like this in the normal PowerPoint, it can take a lot of time if you don't know what you are doing. Even if you know what you are doing, you will spend some time. For example, as you can see, the background here is the different from there. For example, you have some other fonts, some rectangles, some squares, and a lot of information. So this is why I think this Claude Cowork is very good for creating presentations. And that's all in this video. If you know how to create the PowerPoint presentation with Claude Cowork, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.